What's good, Glow Squad? Welcome back to my motherfucking channel. We're gonna cook something. It's not gonna be too crazy, but I am gonna make it on camera for you guys. It's something that my mom used to make, and I've been trying to make it taste like hers, but you know how that goes. So I'm gonna show you guys the ingredients, and forgive me if I'm not on angle or I don't know how to record yet because I'm still trying to get better, but believe me, trust the process because your girl is gonna be bomb at this. All right, so we're gonna use this type of steak here. We're gonna use this and 1 onion, this traditional shit, some garlic, and we're gonna get to it. Okay.
High volume, high volume, high volume, high volume.
Does that make sense compared to something like this? We want it to be like this, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and cut that.
This shit so good, should be illegal. Need round two, I need a sequel. Hit the back with like a free throw. You next level, you a Chico. In so deep, you hit my seat plug. Got me singing like Alicia. Got me using all your lingo. Tell your girlfriend that you single. Call me over cause I go hard. Sweet little boy for like a porn star. Next day, act just like a road dog. Bitches ask me how you know her. They get filled with baby loca. Too loud, I did a boca. At this one, supernova. Fuck that, I ain't coming over. Come over. Can I stop by? See you tonight. Can I stop by? See you. Come over. Can I stop by? See you tonight. Can I stop by? See you. I just touched down, 2:15. I know it's late. You're calling me. If I can come see you, I know you're saying, but you're on my mind. I'm wide awake. Don't stop by. When you get up and get out of the bed, 'cause I wanna see you. And I've been wondering, can I come over? Can I stop by? See you. Can I stop by? See you. Can I stop by? See you. Can I stop by? See you.
Shawty, you know you can always stop by. You top 5, you know you're not 5. And I 4-3, you're 2 but 1, girl. I'm hot now, wanna see the sun. Do the accent's easy in the sundress. Accent speaking on my tongue, yes. You back to the song, the same from Mike Jack. I made you come and you came right back. Calling me on a late night. I got you looking like a brake pipe. Swimming in your seat just like a diver. And it just creeping like a grapevine. And I might fuck you in your own car. Ride my face just like a porn star. And it's so deep, it's called approach. I just want one thing out the phone call.
See you. Can I stop by? See you. Can I
we're going to get a noodle because Sophie loves them.
You.
What do you say? Thank you?
Turtle. Turtle.